Hi guys, we're here to Egyptian's restaurant. Then, ito si Raven. Ano siya, titingin siya ng food. And then, meron silang complimentary drink. Ayaw ko kung ano to. Tapos, binigyan na rin kami ng water. Update namin kayo ulit, guys.
May soft drinks na siya.
Ben,
Try natin, guys. Manamis-namis.
para bang grapes?
Only one drink. You need more drink?
No, only one. This one, what do you call this?
Hibiscus. You know hibiscus?
The one that I mentioned in the menu.
Yeah. It's famous in Egypt.
Sweet.
And,
This drink.
Delicious.
Yeah. You flowers. It's active flower. Okay.
Alam mo yun? Tikman naman daw ni Kim. Ano eh? Sarap, di ba?
para siyang grape.
Kala ko wine eh.
Portrait.
Yeah. That's the bread. Oh, sarap. Pwede na ano. Drink? What? Gusto mo? Lemon. Yeah. Thank you. Wow! Gutom na yan. Guys, kain tayo. Meron kami ditong beef burger. Beef burger nila. Then fries. Then egg cheese. Then yung mga downtown. Ewan ko, anong tawag dito? Parang Uy, ang init pa guys. Ayun, kain na muna kami guys. That's it.